Good morning, everybody. It's Lauren here with the Pavement Ends channel. Hey, I'm doing something a little different today because I've been kind of stuck working and doing those kinds of things all week. I haven't been able to get out and do my camping. In fact, today I actually have to work a little bit and go pick up some supplies to do more work. But I need a little campfire and coffee therapy, so I'm heading up a local road here. And we're going to do just that. Now, Washington's public lands are opened as of May 5th for day use, as I understand it. So that's what we're doing. We're just going to, I just need an hour or two by the fire. So yeah, a little coffee, a little campfire, maybe even a little breakfast, and then I'll hit the road and go get the supplies I need for work. Well, here we are. I found a little spot that I like. If this looks familiar to some of you, well, that's because it is. We camped here this winter. It was camping in your own backyard video. So I'm just going to build a little fire, have a little coffee, and just enjoy the morning for a little bit before I have to face the real world. It's a great place to have coffee. Well, get to it. I'm ready for my coffee. And because I'm kind of in a hurry, I'm going to cheat and use a little fire starter. Because we're not bushcrafting here. We're just having coffee. The only drawback to that gel stuff is you can't quite tell when it's lit. It burns so clean. But it's going now. That's great. Well, I'm going to fire up an old piece of equipment that I haven't used probably in 25 years. And I just want to see if she still works. My little Optima camp stove. I think I got this back in the 80s sometimes. Pretty cool little stove, made in Sweden. Then we pour a little bit down in the bottom there. That warms it up. You light that and it warms it up. Of course, we want our lid on here. Now, this little key here, you put it on the stove like that, turns it on and off, turns the gas flow on and off. So we're going to prime the burner. You want to warm it up a little bit. Pro tip here, take the key out when you do that so the key doesn't get too hot. Got us some water here, and pretty soon we'll have us some hot coffee. Now I'm cheating a little bit with K-cups. You know, we don't have a K-cup machine out here. That's okay. I'm going to adapt this and just mix it into the water and give it a try. It'd be sort of like an instant coffee, but not really. I think we'll just cut the bottom off of this. It's got a little filter in there. Cut that away a little more. Yeah, we'll just see if that works. So I think we'll just keep that going until we can't see the bottom of the pot anymore. I think that's going to work just fine. You know what? That turned out great. A good use for K-cups. Thank you guys for joining me on this little morning adventure. It's been absolutely fabulous. Watch the sunrise, such as it was, through the clouds. And the birds are just everywhere. The trees are alive with the birds. Just been great. Little fire. There's not much of a chill in the air at all. You can see I'm in a t-shirt. I'm perfectly comfortable. I had the fire here mostly for ambiance. It kind of helped a little bit. But yeah, it's time to return to civilization and paved roads. That's okay. I suspect we'll be doing some camping here in the near future. So we'll see you guys out here on the back roads. Thanks for watching.